Morning. Just woke up. My first night here in Baja California, and yeah, I sleep very well tonight. The night was beautiful. I had some mariachi music just across the street. I guess they have a little party yesterday, but apart from that, everything was very good. I had a good night's sleep, and yeah, it's a nice place. I found yesterday. I'm here in Guadalupe. It's a small town here, uh, just I guess 50 or 60 miles before Ensenada. And yeah, I just stopped here yesterday when I came from Tecate, from the border crossing. And I just stopped here in the city to get some food. And yeah, and then I found this place here. It's a brewery. They doing their own beer, and it's called Bellinghausen Brewery. And yeah, I just popped in here and asked for a place to stay, and they say, you know what, you can stay here in the parking lot. Just pitch your tent and have a beer. It's free. If you have a beer, it's free. It's good. So that was very nice. And yeah, I have two dogs here. They protect me. These are the two dogs. This is Blue, and this is Buddy. Huh? Hmm? Buddy. They have also some cabins you can rent for a night. So it's quite nice because it's secure. They have a fence around here and they close the gate at nighttime. So I'm very safe here. And that's very good. So, time to leave this beautiful place here. There you come, the two dogs. Left side Blue and the other side is Buddy. So bye bye guys. Go, go, go. Bye bye. They're protecting here the whole property. Very nice. So, yeah. Yeah, this small town here, Guadalupe, in Valle de Guadalupe, on the Vine Road, Vine Route. The main street is full of restaurants, small businesses. You can buy here everything you want. Really nice people, very friendly. insurance for Mexico is done. I have my paperwork, and now we can explore Mexico. Yeehaw! So today I'm gonna ride to a place that's called Laguna Hanson. It's in the middle of the desert, I think, and I don't know how the ways could be. So, surprise! I just keep on riding, see what's coming, and yeah, get some sand experience. That's getting interesting now. There are two ways. I can choose this one or I can choose this one. So, no idea. Wow, very interesting, very rocky. Rocky, sandy, sometimes steep. Nice. It's quite a challenge here. Wow. Oh yeah, it's getting interesting. It's getting technical. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice and sandy. Big ruts. No easy. Uh-oh. Oh, we're getting used to sand. Don't drop it. Oh my goodness. Keep the momentum. Keep momentum. Come on, lady. You do that. I know that. You can do it. If somebody can do it, you can do it. Wow. Downhill is something totally different. Totally different. So, yeah, let's do it. Come on. I don't really have a chance here. Whew. Holy shit.
Wow. Wow. That was bad. Fuck. My windshield is gone. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. 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 That was no good. That was bad. Okay. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, it's exactly upside down. No chance.